First one of the day, guys. Been here a little while. Didn't get here too early because they do tend to come quite late at this feeder. So yeah, got here half an hour ago or maybe a bit more. Keep seeing this, Jay coming in stealing me food, but don't see many jays in this woods, so I'm leaving them alone. But that's the first squirrel. That's one. So hopefully if I sit here and be quiet, we'll see a few more. Quick intro to the usual setup, guys. FX Dreamline, the Saber Tactical chassis, works so well. Just fold it up. Balance is lovely. Leave it there. The Wulf 4K scope on the top. And I'm shooting, as always here, JSB Hades 0.22. So I think that deserves a coffee. I'll get the coffees out and sit tight and see what turns up. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again in a minute. Sure, I saw another one just then. It's very dark in the woods under all this foliage. Sure, I swore. Movement high up in the tree. I know I did. Haven't got my thermal out because there's so much foliage. You can't see through too much of it. Oh, here we go. Yeah. I'll show you him right now. There he is. Second customer of the day, this one. Seems very fidgety. Got a cling on. There we go. Right. Chuff for that, guys. 2 for the day now. So, not a wasted trip, for sure. It's very, very hard to see them. I don't see them till they get right in. Because there's so much green foliage, everything's overgrown. You have to wait for movement in the branches and stuff you have to catch. I think I might get my thermal out just in case. He interrupted me second cup of coffee, but that's fine, I'm happy with that. 2 down, stick with us, guys. Fingers crossed, we'll see a few more. It's not long after I just shot that last one, and I've got another one. Close in. He's flying in. Flew in there. Yep, breakfast time. Here we go. Oh. He's checking out his comrades on the floor, I think, maybe. Here we go. Oh. Oh. He's very itchy, isn't he? There we go. Wallop, that hit him hard. He's doing the squirrel dance down the bank. Number 3 in the bag, so to speak. Yeah, he came in at a rate of knots. Absolutely flew him, but was really quite finicky when he got there, wasn't he? But that's only 5 minutes or so after the other one, or it seems like that. Excellent. Got the thermal now, but everything just looks great. It's like everything's been quite a chilly morning, and everything is just the same colour, except for the squirrels. They light up really well. I can't see through much at all. But there we go. Excellent. Number 3. Sit and wait. Hope for some more. See you again in a minute, hopefully, guys. Another one, guys. It's come down the tree in front of it. Just see it there. It's behind all these logs in the ring here. So hopefully you cut up the feeder tree there to the feeder. I've lost him at the moment. Could be on the floor. There's quite a lot of seed typically spilled on the floor. No sign of him. No sign of him at all. Now I've got him with a heat source. He's just there. Yep, definitely doing something on the floor. Just see the back end of him. There he is, look, you can just see him there. He's having a forage on the floor. Here we go, here we go. Where's he gone? Can't see him even in the thermal. Must be behind one of those branches. Oh, there's a second one. Unless it's the same one. Look, there. He's come from a different direction. He can't be the same one. Surely not. Can't see the second one anywhere. So let's deal with what we've got. There we go. He's down and out there. Is there a second one? No, I can see him doing the squirrel breakdown. It's there. There you go. That's headshot, just nerves. Clean dispatch, as I always say. Brain's dead, it's just his nerves firing off. His back legs shooting away. There is something else up in the trees over here. Definitely another heat source there. Let's have a look. Oh, there we go. What's that? Hey, is that our second one? Is he going to come in? Or am I going to take him there if he spins round a bit? Here we go. That'll do. That will do. Down he goes. Excellent. What was that? 4 and 5? I'm so stupid I can never remember. That's 4 and 5 I think, guys. That was 2 on the go there. Really good. Can see some little songbirds lighting up. But nothing else. Okay. Let's turn you off. Good result that then, guys. Class that as a double. Certainly 2 in the same recording, so yeah, they do tend to come in later on in the day or in the morning to this feeder, so hopefully we'll even see some more. So okay, sit back and wait. Cheers, guys. Another one in the top of the branches up there. Definitely. His tail's going. Probably twitchy about the ones on the floor maybe. He's still quite high up in the tree. Can't see him now, he's gone behind. Oh, here he comes, he's coming down. He's coming down now. There he is. Time to cock the rifle. Look at that tail going. He's nervous, isn't he? Very nervous. Are we going to get a shot on him there? Are we going to get a shot on him there? Oh yeah. Oh, got another Klingon. Oh, down he goes. Excellent. I've tweaked the brightness on the scope. Just 2 little clicks or whatever you want to call it. Because it's so dull in this woods, it's so overcast. I hope that's made a tiny bit of difference. Made it a little bit brighter. And now I say that, it's a tiny bit of sunshine coming through. Okay guys, that is... No. Number is that, guys? That's 6, isn't it? 5, 6. I've got the memory of a goldfish, haven't I? I'm sure that was 4 and 5 we shot last time. Yeah, 4 and 5. This one's number 6. Oh, excellent. It's good morning. Good morning. I'll get back to my coffee again now. That one came in. Okay, let's set back up and keep waiting. And hopefully we see some more. They're coming in really quick because I can't see them till they're quite close to the feeder. But it's working really well, isn't it? Try and keep myself covered up. Well, after I've had my coffee. And hopefully see you again in a minute, guys. This one caught me totally unawares, guys. It was on my bloody phone. But he shot straight into the feeder. He looks a bit nervous. Come on, you know where you've got to go. Oh, it's two. Hey. Here we go then. Nope. This is going to be the unlucky bully. Oh. Come on, push yourself off. Don't get stuck there. That's it. Well done. Oh, oh, you silly boy. Come on. It's coming down. Oh, bit twitchy. Yep. Okay guys, we've just shot number 7 and 8, but the camera died. I thought the battery had gone, obviously. Swapped the batteries over, clicked on it to do a bit of talking again, and sorry guys, thought this was a movement then. Let's have a quick look. Nope. Can't see anything. Yeah, but no, the SD card was blooming full. So I've just deleted a load of things off the GoPro. Hoping I haven't deleted any of today's footage. I've changed camera angles because the sun, occasionally, or brightness, comes through the trees and I can see a bit of glare on the lens. So hopefully I haven't spoiled it, but swapped around, but there's very little space to put you over there. And it's just leaning against a bit of a branch. If it falls over or if it's not brilliant, I'm not a videographer or whatever they call it, do you know what I mean? And sometimes it's such a pain in the ass to do all this filming. Enjoyable though, I do enjoy it, but it can be an absolute pain in the ass to try and get things set up. It's really nice sometimes. I did the other day, just to go out with your rifle on your back, just go out shooting and not have to worry about anything, you know, anything else. But it is good to do these videos and get the feedback from you guys on. So if you've got any comments about the gear I'm using or why I'm here and that sort of stuff, shove it in the comments down below like it does. I do tend to read them all and reply to everything I can. So anyway, yeah, that was number 7 and number 8. Caught me totally unawares. I was stupidly on my phone. and then another one appeared, bullied that one off. So we had the lead first, and the other one didn't disappear. So we clocked that one as well. So we're on to 7 and 8 now, I think. So if my goldfish memories are any good, I'm sure if I'm wrong, you guys are screaming at me down your camera, bloody TV or whatever. Okay. Sit back and wait. See if anything else comes along. There's another one there, guys. Another one there. Zooming into the feeder. He is zooming in. I'm going to have to change my brightness back because that looks a bit bright. Pulled that one. Blade rushed it on the trigger. Okay, he's up in the tree there, but I can't. Make him out. There he is. Oh, okay, that got him with a good headshot. Oh, I just rushed that so much, guys. And I had my thermal on my thigh, and I could feel it rocking, and it was going to drop into me coffee. And I just grabbed hold of it and just put too much tension on the trigger, and stupid of me. But ended alright. That was a good headshot. Got him, but he came in at a rate of knots. That one. Okay, that's number 9, isn't it? Number 9. I still got a little bit of time to go. So we could get to double figures, the magical double figures. Oh, we'll wait and see. Well, I'm glad we sorted that one out anyway at the end there. Okay. Oh, what a morning it's turning out to be, guys. See you again in a minute. Got another one up in the tree. I think he might have clocked me, because I just spent ages trying to get you stood up again. It's just falling over everywhere there. That's what I'm on about. Problems of trying to do some camera stuff. I've lost him again now. Lost him. No, he's still there. Still in there somewhere. Can you see him, guys? So that's some movement. Yep, he's still in there. I don't know if he knows I'm here because of all the movement I was doing, trying to set that camera up that kept falling over. Just behind all this brush. What is he doing? That's not the one. I shot a different squirrel. Right, I've got to go and dispatch that one, guys. Okay guys, I've just had to go out and do a quick dispatch. And there's another squirrel up in the tree. I've just been and picked up all those squirrels, and there's another one in the top of the tree. It's coming down. I've had to go and do a dispatch. That one I pulled the trigger on, and the second shot I thought I hit him. He hit the deck, lights out. That must have been a different squirrel, because earlier on I saw this other squirrel drop to the deck. And yeah, I had to go and dispatch that one, and I've got 10. So how blooming quirky is that? Now I'm gonna have to get back down there behind my net quickly and see what this squirrel's gonna do. I'm stood right out in the open and he was coming down the tree. And I'll have to deal with these ones at the end of the session. I've picked them all up, I'll leave them there. Right, let's go sit down and see if we can get number 11. Okay, we need to do a makeshift shot here, guys. My net's falling down, everything. Just done the pickup and coming back, there's this squirrel. It's come down the tree. I've literally put my gun back on the tripod. That's number 11. Oh man. That is crazy. I've just been and picked up 10 squirrels. I was stood up in front of my net, trying to talk to you guys on my phone. Got the video set up. And I saw this squirrel coming in. I literally had to jump over my net that's all fallen down, try and get the rifle back on the tripod after going and doing a dispatch with it. Tripped over my net, everything. Camera came down, put everything back together. There's a squirrel still there. Number 11. What a morning. And it's still plenty of time to go. Okay, I gotta reset up everything and let's sit and just keep shooting away, eh? Let's just sit here and just keep shooting away. Right, see you again in a minute, guys. Guys, you're not gonna believe it. You're not gonna believe it. I was just watching the muntjac. You can see it through the bushes there, yeah? He's just going through the bushes. Just watching him and me coffee. I've just done my end of session video telling you all about it. So this is probably in before the end of the session video where I've said I've shot 11 squirrels. Or was it 12? My memory of the both. It was 12, wasn't it? Now there's another squirrel coming in. There he is, behind all that rubbish there. So this is going to be 13. This is going to be number 13. I'm sure it is. I say it's going to be, if he comes in. He's taking his time. I don't know where that muntjac has gone. Oh, he's scarpered up the tree. His tail's going like good. Oh, we can take him there though, guys. We can take him there. Oh, I don't believe it. I'm out of freaking ammo. Can you believe it? What a day I've had, guys. I cannot. He's squawking away up there. He must have seen me. He's sat in the same spot. And I can't open my bloody lid. I've got coffee between my feet. Oh man. Unbelievable day. Unbelievable. Let's put 3 in the round. Stick them back there. He's sat in exactly the same spot. The recording's been going all this time. Where is he? Let's go out. There he is. Okay, unlucky number 13. Oh yeah. Unbelievable morning, guys. Unbelievable. I've just done my end of session video talking to you. It's going to rabbit on forever. I'm just sat here having a coffee, enjoying everything. That muntjac came back. I thought, oh, that's beautiful. I sit here with my coffee and watch him before I pack up. I'm watching him, and then another squirrel starts coming in. Okay, thank you very much. Number, as I say, 13. That I think that equals my record of squirrel shooting total in one session. 13. Yeah, it does. Whoa, what a day. Okay, well, I'm going to put this shot in before the last bit, because I've chatted all the way through the last bit. Oh, I hope this video ain't like ages and ages. But there's, after this bit, there's more to come. So keep watching. Okay. Thanks guys. What a morning it's been. See you again. I've got a muntjac. Look at that. How's that for a lovely sight, guys? Can you hear me talking away? That's beautiful, isn't it? What a morning I'm having. Took me headscarf. Oh, there's a squirrel. There's a squirrel up above him as well. Look at that. Here we go. Can we get one off of the branch of doom? Oh yes, we can. Muntjac's gone. Squirrel down. That's 10, 11, 12 today, guys. I'm well happy with that. Absolutely well happy with that. Let's have a look at the time. God, I'm thinking I might call it quits at that. Although it's only mid-morning. I reckon if I stay, I'll probably get a few more, easy. But we've got 12, that's a banging number. I'm well happy with that. What a morning it's been. Did I record that? If I've just missed number 12, that's going to be bloody annoying, innit? Oh, God. I don't know if I recorded it or not. I must have, because I was recording the muntjac, wasn't I? Did I even record the muntjac? I have got the memory of a goldfish, guys. Haven't I? You're laughing at me down the bloody camera. I took my head net off because after that last one came in, when I was stood up in front of it, tripped over everything, knocked the camera flying. sat down on my seat, put the rifle back on the tripod, and he was still at the bottom of the tree. That was number 11, so we added him to the total. Just had number 12. Yeah, that's a super morning. I might stick out just a little bit longer, but if not, that might be the last one. The kit is performed fantastic. This Dreamline with the folding stock, that just works so well for me. The balance is really easy with the stock folded like that. It's out the way, I can do everything. Got me thermal. See plenty of little birds out there that you just don't know are even there, even though there's so much foliage. Oh boy. And this Wulf 4K scope, it just works. I really like the buttons and the operation of it, as long as I remember to hit the record. Oh, I hope I did. Surely I did, because I had the monk jack on there, didn't I? Hopefully I did. So yeah, had a great morning, and I think I'll give it a little bit longer. But I'm just going to sit back, have my coffee now, just enjoy the surroundings. You won't believe, a buzzard landed about 10 yards in front of me, up on a tree there. And I was going to try and get a picture of him, because there's 10 squirrels on the deck just there. You might have noticed them. And but yeah, as soon as I moved a bit, off he went. But that was about 20 seconds. That was beautiful. I'm privileged to be out in the woods, just watching the wildlife and controlling those greys. That'll help the woods out a lot. So probably call that quits now. And I'll take some pictures, something, stick them on the end of the video. I've already been and picked everything up, so yeah. I'll give it 5 or 10 more minutes, but don't know. So if this is the end, thanks very much for watching, guys. Do the usual, leave some comments behind, any questions about the kit, the ammo, what we're doing here, put it in the comments below. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the channel. There's loads of videos in the back catalogue, if you like, that you can watch just like this, and hopefully there'll be plenty more to come. If you do subscribe and watch my videos, this will likely be another quite long one, having shot 12 squirrels. And if you've made it to the end, congratulations and well done to you guys. If you've been listening to me waffle on forever and ever, thanks very much to all my subscribers. It's all you guys that, like I say, it can be a pain in the ass to do all this, trying to get footage and video. It's only all you guys and comments on that make it worthwhile, to be honest. So once again, thanks very much. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll get and see you all again soon.